Welcome back my YouTube channel Automatic Cars with Sabri. Hey everyone, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is making waves as a modern interpretation of a timeless classic. Volkswagen has managed to strike the perfect balance between retro-inspired design and cutting-edge technology, making it a car that appeals to both nostalgia seekers and forward-thinking enthusiasts. The exterior design immediately catches the eye with its sleek, aerodynamic curves and signature front grille, which pays homage to the original Karmann Ghia. LED headlights and taillights seamlessly blend vintage aesthetics with modern functionality, while the availability of vibrant color options ensures that it stands out on the road. The attention to detail in the bodywork, such as chrome accents and smooth contours, speaks to Volkswagen's dedication to maintaining the spirit of the classic model while giving it a contemporary edge. Step inside, and the interior of the 2025 Karmann Ghia does not disappoint. It's a harmonious mix of vintage charm and modern luxury. Premium materials like leather and sustainable fabrics cover the seats and dashboard, creating a refined atmosphere. A fully digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment screen dominate the cockpit, offering seamless connectivity through features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging. Ambient lighting, customizable to match your mood, adds a touch of sophistication. The compact yet well-designed cabin provides ample comfort for both the driver and passenger, making it ideal for weekend getaways or daily commutes. Volkswagen has also incorporated state-of-the-art safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring peace of mind for drivers. Under the hood, the 2025 Karmann Ghia offers multiple powertrain options, catering to a variety of driving preferences. For those seeking a traditional feel, there's a turbocharged gasoline engine that delivers impressive performance and efficiency. However, the highlight of the lineup is the fully electric variant, reflecting Volkswagen's commitment to sustainability and innovation. The electric version boasts a range of over 300 miles on a single charge, along with rapid charging capabilities that make it practical for long-distance drives. With instant-to-work and smooth acceleration, the electric Karmann Ghia promises an exhilarating driving experience that rivals many modern sports cars. The inclusion of adjustable driving modes, ranging from eco-friendly to sport, ensures that the car can adapt to different driving conditions and preferences. The 2025 Karmann Ghia isn't just about performance and design, it's also about the driving experience. Volkswagen has fine-tuned the suspension and steering to provide a responsive yet comfortable ride. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the car feels nimble and agile, a testament to its lightweight construction and advanced engineering. The low center of gravity, particularly in the electric variant, enhances stability and cornering, giving drivers a sense of control and confidence behind the wheel. For enthusiasts who appreciate the finer details, the exhaust note of the gasoline engine has been carefully tuned to evoke the spirit of classic roadsters, while the electric version offers a serene, almost silent ride. Volkswagen has also paid attention to the little things that make a big difference. The car features a range of personalization options, allowing buyers to choose from unique wheel designs, interior trims, and even retro-inspired badges. Limited edition models are also in the works, featuring exclusive paint schemes and bespoke interiors, making them highly collectible. Furthermore, Volkswagen is offering a suite of connected services through its app, enabling owners to remotely monitor their car's status, locate nearby charging stations, and even precondition the cabin temperature. The return of the Karmann Ghia is more than just a revival, it's a celebration of Volkswagen's legacy and a glimpse into its future. By blending iconic design elements with state-of-the-art technology, the 2025 Karmann Ghia captures the imagination of car enthusiasts and casual drivers alike. It's a car that pays respect to its roots while embracing the demands of a modern, eco-conscious world. With its stunning design, advanced features, and versatile performance, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is set to be a standout addition to the automotive landscape. Whether you're drawn to it for its nostalgia, innovation, or sheer driving pleasure, this car is a testament to the enduring appeal of great design and engineering. Thanks for watching.